Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to swap rows and columns in Google Sheet. So first of all, let's see how to swap rows. So I'm gonna selecting this row 1. After clicking on row, here you will get this hand option. So again click on the row which you want to swap and simply drag it, and that's how we can swap row in Google Sheet. And now let's see how to swap columns. First of all, select the column which you want to swap and again click on the column and drag to swap. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.